This video is sponsored by Squarespace, more about them later. Ikea released so many new products this season. Last week we covered some of them, but I've missed some of the best ones. So today we're going through another list of new Ikea finds you just have to see. I'm On, this is Mars, thank you so much for stopping by. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell and hit that like button to never miss another video again. I post Ikea content every single Thursday, so you'd like to stay tuned. Now let's go! We're starting right off with a lamp from the winter collection, and that is this white paper-like table lamp. Ikea has so many new lamps that are a part of the Christmas/winter collection, but they honestly look so good and don't even remind me of Christmas decor at all. This is one of those pieces I absolutely love and just can't wait to see it in the Ikea stores. The next new Ikea find for this season is the VITTSJÖ set of 2 nesting tables that now come in this gorgeous beige color. This is such a nice set that looks so sleek and so minimal, yet comes at a great price point. It's durable, made out of glass and metal, and it's perfect for smaller spaces. Loving this new color, it looks way better than the black one. Ikea released so many new rugs this season, and I love all of them. However, for today I picked my top 3, and the first one being this beautiful hand-woven rug. This same design was actually a famous Ikea runner, but it now comes in this rug version and I'm all for it. I just love the colors and the design. It looks so chic while looking minimal and so natural. Plus, for a rug like this, the price isn't that high. Another new rug that looks so stunning is also this checkered one. This one's also woven by hand by skilled artisans in this playful check design with muted tones. The wool and jute blend brings a rustic charm that adds warmth and character to any space. Plus, I just love the color combination. And another one is this blue and black runner with beige stripes. This one's so easy to match with furniture and textiles and goes just as well in the bedroom as in the hallway. A new collection I was so excited to see at Ikea is the FLORSJÖN collection. This collection consists of several different products for the bathroom, and we're starting with this beautiful trash can. This beige-colored tilt-open waste bin mounts on the wall and is just such a good fit for narrow bathrooms. I just love the sleek look of it, plus the fact that you can screw it on the wall or mount it with adhesive. Loving how this one looks, and I just can't wait to get it for my bathroom. Another new product from this collection is this wall shelf with 3 hooks. I just love the fact that you get a shelf and hooks together to better organize your bathroom. Plus, it looks so sleek. Also, this tower rail in that similar look is just gorgeous and practical at the same time. That little shelf for keeping your watch and jewelry while you shower is just so smart. Loving how minimal and sleek this collection actually is. Now, before we check out our next new Ikea find, let me tell you about today's sponsor, Squarespace, the amazing platform that makes having an online presence absolutely effortless. First off, let's talk about their Fluid engine, which is just absolutely incredible. I've been using it myself, and the way you can precisely position elements exactly where you want them is just so intuitive. It makes designing your website super easy and so much fun. Literally anyone can do it. Another thing I'm loving about Squarespace are their analytics tools. reviews. They give you such an incredible insight about your visitors, where they're coming from, what they're looking at most, and even how they found your site is just so practical for understanding what's working and what's not. Also, I just have to mention their blogging platform is just so versatile and user-friendly. You can organize your content beautifully, schedule posts ahead of time, and even categorize everything so your readers can easily find what they're looking for. It's perfect for sharing your ideas with the world in such a professional way. So if you want to create a beautiful website or build an online store, head on to squarespace.com for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/homebymon to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to our next IKEA find. New baskets at IKEA this fall are the SANDJORD Baskets. They come in two different dimensions and I just love both of them. They are so similar to the flattest basket, only shorter, and are just perfect for keeping everyday home items in them, and I've been loving them so much. Now, when we are talking about organization, I just have to mention this new IKEA organizer with 5 compartments. This one's perfect for kids' toys, but also great for organizing anything in the wardrobe. Its see-through fabric ensures quick visibility, while the soft, durable materials keep it safe and easy to clean. Also, speaking of organization items, another great find for the kitchen are these tins with lids. These come in a few different sizes and colors, and I love all of them. However, my favorite ones are these silver. They just really make your storage look fun and stylish and would look absolutely beautiful styled on a shelf. Another great new IKEA find for the kitchen is also this baking sheet rack. This baking tray rack is just perfect for trays waiting to go in the oven and for letting your baked treats cool down once they're out. It saves space on your worktop, making it so easy to handle trays. Plus, it's so easy to store when not in use since it's foldable, which is so smart. I just need to get this one for this holiday season and make baking Christmas cookies way easier. I've just always been a fan of all IKEA trivets, but these new ones at IKEA are just something else. These 2 pot stands will protect your surfaces from heat while adding such a decorative detail to your kitchen. They are made from pigmented and compressed bamboo, creating a varied and vibrant expression. I'm just loving this shape so much and can't wait to get it on my next trip to IKEA. Also, these 2 are new in these vibrant colors and are just perfect for those of you who are more into colors. I love the shape of these, and if you are into colors, they are the perfect choice. And we're finishing off with the new wine glasses at IKEA. I mean, just look at this. I love the color of these so much, plus the shape looks just stunning and it's perfect for all kinds of wine, red or white, even cocktails. They also come in a champagne flute version 2 at that same price and just look beautiful. Also, these beautiful tempered glass glasses that are stackable and just super cute and functional. They're actually made from tempered textured glass with such a crafted style and are perfect for coffee, tea, cold drinks, cocktails, and just anything you like. I love the fact that they're stackable and look just so mid-century modern. And that wraps it up for today. If you haven't seen last week's video, please make sure to check it out since you can find there so many new products. Also, make sure to let me know in the comment section below which product was your favorite. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, allowing all notifications to never miss another video again. And I'll see you designers next Thursday. Bye! Oh, my Marcy boy. Oh, my beautiful Marcy boy. Mars, how has life been with getting a brother and a daughter? Oh my god, Mars has been the best boy. I just have to say, Mars has been the best. He's been the best father. He's been a bit jealous, this guys, you know, but he's just the best. He's always the best. My first baby. You're my first baby, you know that? That's just such a nice manicure. Just Mars. Bye bye guys. See you next week. Bye.